So today I will discuss about the HANA upgrade, SAP HANA upgrade on the on-prem database. How to do the HANA upgrade. So why we have to do the upgrade? So normally we know for each and every update there is a lot of updates will come, right? Lot of security features, new features, existing bugs fixes, new enhancements, and also the maintenance activity will over. So to overcome all those things, maybe yearly once we have to perform the HANA upgrades, right? So the current version of the HANA is HANA SAP HANA 2.0 SPS07 here. 2.0 SPS07 we have. Before that, we have the 06 and 05 and 04. But 06, 31st December, the maintenance period is over. So now all customers are moving to the HANA 2.0 SPS07 here. So once a year, so new SPS will be released. New SPS will be released here. In between year to year, the next year, 2023, in the April, so they have released the HANA SPS07 they have released. Maybe in the 2024, maybe in the April, so they will release the, so approximately April or May, they will release the SPS07, 08. In between, they will release the, so that is called the patches. They will release the patches here. That is called the revisions. Revisions, they will release it. So revisions and patches, they will release it here. We have to apply that patches here. How to do the patches or SPS upgrades? Same. So in the we have to perform this one, we have to use the same HDB LCM tools to perform the or upgrades. We have to use the HDB LCM tools. We have to use it for the HANA installations or upgrades here, right? So then using this HDB LCM, we can do the installations as well as the upgrades. So how we will get HDB LCM tools? In the installation file, installation toolkit, installation software, we will, if you extract it, you will get the installation toolkit. You will get from there, we have to download it. So how to download the HANA database here? In the service SAP marketplace, same as how we downloaded for the installation, same way we have to download for the installation also here. Then what are the preparation activities we have to do it for the HANA upgrades here? So here first of all we need to check the free space at OS level for to perform the upgrade, to copy the media. Then you need the root user is required. Root user is required here. Why? Because we have to perform with the root user here. Then application downtime timelines here. Application downtime here. Why? Because if the SAP is running, then we need to stop the, so SAP, so running, we need to stop the SAP application on top of HANA database here. Downtime we required here. So then, so for the every HANA installation, so there is a dependency, OS dependency here. HANA installation, sorry, HANA upgrade, there is a dependency on the operating system binaries here. At least operating system also we have the kernel version, operating system kernel. At least, so we have to, there is a dependency on the, so some library files here, GCC 7 or GCC 9 or GCC 10 are required here. And also the OS version should be higher version here. OS version, if you update it, then OS kernel also will be updated. Then on top of GCC libraries, so then this also should be this should be up to date here. And also the compact C++, it comes under the GCC only, GCC libraries. Okay, so it will comes under GCC only here. This is the OS binaries we required. OS version means when you are upgrading the HANA database here, your operating system dependency is very important here. Operating system dependency is very important here. That is the very important feature here. So that is the one, right? So let me log in. So go to the softwares and patches by alphabetical index, H for HANA. Okay, H for HANA. So here, what we want to do here, SAP SAP platform edition, right? Platform edition. Then here, so then here we need to go to the version which you are going to highlight, like HANA database. Client also we have to update it. If you have the client installed, HANA client also we have to update it here. So then ours is the 64-bit version, HANA 64-bit version. The latest version is the HANA 2.0 SPS07 we have here. 07 we have here. So right, 06, 07 we have here. Then always when you are updating the HANA system, just review the release note here. Why? Because they will clearly give you the information like how to update it and what are the dependencies, what is the OS version should be. So there is some dependencies they will give you here. So that's why always read the release note. That is what I will tell you here. So first of all, before you check all those things here, there is a one mandatory step is like mandatory. I can mention like, so review the release note here. Review the release note. That is the very important step here. So here they will provide you the information here. So download media is available in which versions here. Strongly recommended to go with the most recent version in SPS here to avoid the running the issues in the already known issues will be fixed here. So when you are upgrading, when you are installing to successfully upgrade from the HANA, so if you are HANA 1.1, 1.0, then there are some steps we have to perform. If you are upgrading from the 2.0, there is a direct step, directly you can go with this one. In this HANA SPS07, you can see what are the issues and everything is fixed here. Some BW related issues fixed in this version, backup and recovery issues fixed this one here, right? So path not. So then doc store, languages here. There are the multiple issues, smart data integration related, supportability, text set, general, access engine, general issues. There are the multiple things are fixed here. So if you have any symptoms related to these issues, so then you can directly go with the latest version of the HANA database here. So when it was released, the 2nd February 2024, it is released this version here, right? It's released for the customer. That's why, as I mentioned here, always read the release notes here. Always read the release notes here to know the everything here. If we go to this version, so here they will provide the more information also here. What is the hardware, OS dependency, central node. If you go to the central node, you'll get the clear picture here. If you go to what are the operating system packages you required here, if you go to this node, you will get the clear picture here, all the information, right? So then support availability, what are the operating system releases here, OS releases, OS should be, what are the hardware requirements for HANA. So you will get the clear picture. That's why before you go for the anything, either SAP upgrade or HANA upgrade or kernel upgrade, review the release note, read the release note here. Why? Because they will give you the some valuable information here. The supported operating systems here, the supported hardware platforms, Intel based hardware platform, IBM Power Missions here, right? So then, so they will give the clear information here. Then Linux in the Linux side, the GCC libraries 10 or 11 we have to apply it here. So GCC, Compact C++, libc. So these all are the libraries we have to install it here, right? So GCC library, that's why I mentioned, right? So if it is Red Hat Linux, the Compact C++, GCC RPM packages, we have to install it. How to install the RPM packages here? So they will give the, it is a SUSE Linux, how to install it. They were given the clear information, right? They have given the clear information how to install all those things here. Just copy this command, go to the Linux level. So just go to root user, just execute it here. Then that will be install the latest version and everything here, right? So see here how much simple. That's why make a habit of review the release notes always here, so that you will get the clear picture. Otherwise you may face the issues here. So and also hardware platform, hardware requirements here, solution. You can see the, so hardware, what are the hardwares, so softwares, so we have to review, read it. So all the information they have given. So with a valuable notes, valuable information, it's always to up to date here, up to date here. It's already installed in our systems. So that's why we have installed the HANA 2.0 SPS 07, 06. We are able to install it. Why? Because this one it's already installed, right? So that's why make a habit of reading the release notes always, SAP side and everything. So this is the request. Okay. Why? Because to successful in the SAP basis journey, the most important thing is we should not make the mistakes here. So that's why always please read the notes. So what nothing. So just maybe half an hour of your time will waste. It will not waste. You will gain the more knowledge by reading the release notes and everything here. Then you can successfully perform the upgrades and everything here. Otherwise, you will be stuck with the issues and everything. If you don't check all those things, what will happen when you are initiated the HANA install HANA upgrade, you will be stuck, right? So that is the reason. So now, so you can download the patches and everything. So then release note review and download the patches and move the patches to the your operating system level. In the slash media, you have moved it here. So we have the HANA SPS 0676. It is available here. Then now what? Now how to do the upgrade? Then you will extract the SAR file. Then it will create the so HANA SPS 07 file. It is created, right? Now, using the HDB LCM tool, every software, either installation media or normal, you will get the, so these files, HDB LCM files you will get, right? So now we are going to upgrade it. Then you can use the /HDB UPD for the upgrading the HANA systems. Uninstallation, this is the uninstallation. Installation, you can use the HDB LCM, these tools here. We are doing the upgrade. Then just you can use the HDB UPD with root user desktop /HDB UPD here. So now which one you are going to upgrade? So HD1, HD1. So this is the lowest version, HANA 2.0 SPS 06 only, this one, right? SPS 06, you can see the version SPS 06. I want to upgrade to the HANA 2.0 SPS 07. Then select the 2. Why? Because HANA HD1 is the 2. So then dependencies, okay. System user, okay. What is the password? You can set the password here. Do you want to continue? Yes. Then see here, an upgrade is running now. Simple, 2 steps, very simple. But the preparation activities are there, right? The preparation activities are very important. Now, anyway, you will download the file. Then using the WinSAP, you can move the files to the target level, Linux level. Then you will extract it. Then you will keep it ready. Then stop the SAP applications. If you have any application is running on top of this HANA database, just you can stop the SAP applications, stop the SAP. Then once the OS upgrade is mandatory, then OS upgrade also done. So then we can download the patches, move to the application database level. Then using the HDB UPD, HDB LCM tools, we can perform the upgrades. Very simple. HANA installations and HANA upgrades are very, very simple. But if any issue comes, then only we have to worry about that one. Remaining all the way. So this is very, very, very simple here. See here, now it is getting updating the packages and everything to the here. So what we are doing, we are updating from HANA 2.0 SPS 06 to, so SPS 06, this is a 6 patch level 7 to 76, means SPS reverse order, means SPS 07 patch level 6 we are updating here, right? That is what. Now after some time we will get the HANA 2 SPS 07 we will get. Why? Because we are updating the our databases here. We are updating the our databases to the HANA 2 SPS 07 here. In the, it is the cloud direct attack. Directly, we can directly get it. It will be updated. So in the Red Hat Linux, the Linux version is the 4.18. Ours is the Intel. So then we are okay. Hardware side, we have the spaces, everything is there. Stop the SAP applications, then go to the HDB LCM. Then you can do. Don't stop the HANA, only stop the SAP applications. If you have anything is running on top of this database, then just do the HANA upgrades using the HDB LCM tools here.
Sir, I have one doubt. Sir, after downloading the new patches, where we have to place it?
Anywhere you can place it in the Linux level, anywhere where you have the place files are available. So anywhere you can just use the WinSAP or Mobax term. There are the multiple tools, right? Using that one, just you can WinSAP. I told you, right, how to move the files. Just to move to the in the Linux level, any folder. So where you have the enough space. Suppose in the Linux level, normally we are using the slash media, right? Same way, you can also move to the slash media, not only slash media, slash media is the one of the device where we have the space is available. So we are moving to the in this location 6 and 7 everything is available. If you have the space is available in the any other folder, then maybe if you have space available in the slash and shade, then you can move to the slash and shade also. So wherever, whatever it may be, then we can move to them. There is no particular, just we can move to the anywhere.
And sir, how to stop the applications from SAP MMC? It's for the
Yeah, SAP,
GUI, na?
yeah, it's part of the GUI. It's in the SAP MMC, SAP side. Just to use the stop SAP commands are and MMC right click and stop it, it will be stopped.
Okay.
So right click, suppose like, so suppose example, let me tell you, suppose we have the SAP MMC here. Let's open the SAP MMC. Here, so just you can use the right click and stop the SAP application. Stop the SAP application. That's it. So SAP will be stopped. So that's it. SAP will be stopped here.
But sir, it will be stopped for the application level, not a database level.
That's why I'm telling, right? You no need to stop the database, only stop the SAP application. That's it. Why? Because SAP application will be installed on top of the database. So normally you see this is the HANA database. SAP is the three-tier architecture. So presentation layer and the SAP layer and the database layer. So this is the presentation layer where we have the GUI, SAP logon pad, MMC, everything is available. From here, we will install the SAP application, but this SAP application will install on top of the database, on top of the database here, on top of the database here, DB here. Then this is the SAP here. That's why SAP is the three-tier architecture. You are upgrading this one means SAP will be your database will be restarted. While base is on, while first floor is on, will you do the restart of the ground floor? No, right? Why? Because immediately it will be crashed. So we may face the other issues. That's why first of all do all those things, then do the basement work here, everything here. So that's why. So first of all, so this is the SAP will run on top of the SAP. So if you want to do any maintenance activities restarts, we have to stop the applications here. If you don't have applications, fine. But if you have the applications, definitely we need to do that work. We have to perform it. See here. So it's upgrade of the packages, content, everything is done. Stopping the SAP systems also done. So then, so while once it is started, then we can see the latest versions here. HANA to SPS07. This starting mode.
Sir, one more problem because its upgrade is now perform that. So how we can perform that? Can we perform a downgrade?
Downgrade is not possible here. Only upgrade is possible. It's not like that kernel upgrade. Once you are performing the upgrade means you need multiple approvals and everything here. So downgrade is not possible. Only upgrade is possible, not the downgrade.
So it is a one time.
One time.
Sir, one more doubt, sir. While stopping the DB, we have a command HTTP stop and start.
Right.
At the same time, for application, we are using SAP control minus NR services start and stop, right, sir?
Right.
Can we use that command here?
Yeah, we can also use SAP stop and start. So
A
nothing. Simple command. Yeah, we can also use it. There are multiple ways, right? So
Nice.
for stopping the HANA database or everything, SAP, just provided the SAP, we are using the stop SAP commands or start SAP commands we are using. Else
Yes.
we can also use the SAP control hyphen NR instance number. So instance number, then hyphen function, then so start service, start system, like that the functionalities we can use it here. So SAP, this is we can use it for SAP also. Or if you have the MMC also you can use it here. Multiple ways. So if it is a database, if you want to stop the database, then OS level commands are called the HDB stop, HDB start, or SAP control command also we can use it here. So then if it is so ANA cockpit is there, ANA cockpit also we can stop it. ANA studio is there, ANA studio level also we can use it. So then multiple ways we can stop and start the
R3
database.
SAP stop, sir.
multiple ways we can use it.
Okay.
So it is starting mode.
What is the difference between SAP service start or SAP system stop?
SAP services. Services means here in the SAP, normally we have the two things here. SAP start SRV, right? And normal
Okay.
SAP services here. Normal SAP services or DB services. At the DB also you will get the SAP start SRV service. Normally when you use the HDB stop or so normally when you use the HDB stop or a stop SAP, this process will not be stopped. So that's why stop service, SID, stop service like that we are using the some commands.
Okay.
So normally when you use HDB stop, SAP start SRV process will be still same. So see here it is starting mode. So then you can see the version here HANA 2 SPS07. The version is updated here. The tenant is up, so that's why you can see the HANA 276 is updated. Latest version it is updated here. So the tenant is still not up. That's why. So it is not available here. Why? Because it is getting restarted. HANA is getting restarted here. So still name server should be up. Tenant related services are up. That's why showing like HANA version. So we need to wait. Very simple. So it's not like that SAP upgrade multiple days, couple of days it will take it out. So it will be very simple to update.
So while upgrading, many problem has come, sir. What we can do, sir?
While upgrade come,
Any problem has occurred, so any error comes, sir.
okay, then we have to pray
What
for
we can
God.
do?
We have to pay for grant or we need to fix the issue. Yeah. So yeah, jokes are common. Yeah. So here what we have to do whenever any upgrade issues or anything, normally here in the CD/var in the temp, so we can CD/var and temp. So we will see the logs here. We will see the upgrade logs and everything here. So the log files will be updated here. Good one, good question. So here what we can do, suppose like upgrade having issues. So normally we may face the issues because of we have OS version not mismatching, then OS binaries are not updated because of something is not wrong, something is functionality is not something like that. So we have to fix the issues here. Maybe maximum OS level issues only. Maximum if any OS level issues, we may face the issues here. Then definitely we need to fix the OS level issues. Then we need to complete the issues. In case upgrade got stuck in middle, then we have the option. If upgrade got stuck in the middle, then we can resume. Once the issue is fixed where it got stopped, then from there we can resume the upgrade activity. We can resume it here. So let me refresh tenant also here. So because it's almost done upgrade. Right, it's done. Right, you can see HANA 2.076. So HANA 2 SPS07. Your database got upgraded to the latest versions here. Latest versions it got upgraded. So finally, it's upgraded. Now delivery units are importing some new functionalities, some delivery units in the form of data. Delivery units will be importing. So that will be imported, but that's fine. So up to here, services started and we are showing the versions means we are good. Then we can start the SAP applications. We can check the some any alerts, new errors, any errors. So anything we can check in the systems here. We can perform the some monitoring activities here. Okay, everything is okay. So all services are up and running or not. Are there any critical alerts during the upgrade? So nothing. So then any performance issues. So any error logs are generating. So like this, we can check the status here. Like this, we can check the logs and all those things. We can check it out. Okay, so this is the upgrade log file. So if you perform all the pre-work, if you read the notes, if you meeting the requirements, we won't face any issues. Something we are missing, suppose like you are not updating the GCC libraries means upgrade will be failed. Then we have to fix the issues and we need to resume it. Okay, so that is about the HANA upgrade.